All right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the driver's side mirror. Obviously, ours is gone and disappeared into this world. This is a 2017, I believe, Toyota Prius hybrid, obviously. Very simple process. I don't think nothing too complicated. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we're going to go ahead and start this video right after the intro. So coming right here on this piece right here, so this needs to be separated. So this little soft fabric, so we're just going to go ahead and pull and lift up. There's some little cracks that you can just lift it right up. So you're just gonna just kind of play with it, rock it back and forth. Then right here you're gonna have this guy right there, so we're gonna push that guy all the way back, just how you see that right there. We just got to sneak it out from right there, so you're gonna push that guy all the way back. Then we're gonna go ahead and pop off our window switch, our master switch. Let's get this guy going. So just lift that up, and then once you lift it up, you're gonna go ahead and wiggle it, and so forth. All right, so now we have two clips right here. So you're just gonna push this tab, and then you have a tab right down here. You're gonna push down and then slide right out. So then we're gonna put this in a safe spot. All right, so next thing, you're gonna need a pick for this. If not, you can probably get it with your nails. But right here, we're gonna go ahead and just wiggle this right out. So we're just gonna wiggle that out until it pops right out. Then we're gonna pop off that Phillips. So we're gonna have 3 screws that we're gonna be taking off. So we have one Phillips. You can use these as Phillips too, but they're 10 millimeters too as well. So we're gonna pop those out. All right, so at this point, we're ready to pop off our panel. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna dig my fingernails right into the panel, and I'm just gonna pull it right back. So once we get it all off, all the panels, usually I would say right up to here, there's about a clip right there, and then same thing right here, there's like one last clip. And then once you get all those off and it's rocking back and forth, I'm gonna go ahead and push up with my knee or my hands, pull the panel towards you. What are you doing? Pull the whole thing right towards you. Let me get you guys to see that. And then this guy will slide right up on out as it did on its own. And then right here down below, we have our little light switch that hangs out right here. So that guy's gonna pop out, but I think that was already out. I just want you guys to see. This piece, this is clipped into the weather strip. So yeah, so we have our clips right there, and then we have a red one again that was inserted over there. And these guys right here, you just kind of gotta lift up, but this guy prevents you from lifting up. So you gotta just grab your hand, and you don't want to pull yet too much right here, because then that will start separating this, and that'll break the tabs right here. So what you want to do is you want to grab your hand and pull right there too, so at the same time. All right, so next thing, well, this would be normally slide it in right here. So just like that would be slide it in right there, and then you just slide it right out. But obviously, you know, getting the side mirror swiped out obviously made our job easier. Then we'll push this tab right there We'll just press that little clip right there, separate it. Then coming up right here, we have these little rubber boots, or it's the whole thing actually. We'll just pull this back, and then we have 3 10 millimeters that we need to take off. So 1, 2, 3, those nuts. All right, so now that we have those off, well, basically we have this little retaining clip. We just need to push that right up on out. I think that's the only thing that's holding it. If not, oh yeah, so that's the only thing. So as soon as you pull that down, then the rest is all history. So coming right here on the inside, we have a little fastener clip right there. You just got to push your finger back, pull that back, and then separate it from right there. So there's a little clip right here, so you can see that. You can separate that, and then you just literally pull this guy out through the hole, and then there we have it. All right, so coming from obviously the outside, it's going to be kind of hard to show 2 things at once, but we're going to go ahead and feed in our cable through right here, and then we're going to go ahead and clamp this guy right down. All right, so obviously we're going to go ahead and just feed this guy right in, make sure our bolts, our studs line up, and then we're just going to clip it right in. And then voila. So once that clips right in, I mean, I wouldn't recommend letting it go. I mean, just responsibility wise, but obviously the clip does hold it in. And we're going to go ahead and tighten down our 3 bolts. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and just get our cable, feed it right through this rubber piece. Now we're going to go ahead and put back in our rubber piece. Make sure it's fully seated. Fully seated right in there. If this is not fully seated, you're going to have a problem seating in your door. So again, that's how it should look like. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and clip this guy back in. Once we clip it, whoops, wrong side. Right? No, maybe so. Yeah. All right, so clip that in, and then we're gonna go ahead and just slide this in. All right, so now we're pretty much set and done right there. And then don't forget right back here, this little guy, don't forget to push it inside and clip it inside there. There's a little hole. Now obviously that hole, I can show you with the old one. So right here, here's the old one where you're just gonna insert it in the hole. That's where I'm inserting that little rubber piece or plastic fitting. But yeah, at this point, we're ready to reverse the order on putting back on the panel. So when putting back on the panel, we're gonna go ahead and slide in our door handle. Gosh, this is a little bit hard to show at the same time. So see if you guys can see this. So we're gonna slide this in here just like this. All right, so let me see if I can get this more dialed in. So we're gonna slide this in right here, and then we're gonna clip this guy right in here. So this guy needs to clip in there. So all right, so clip that in. And then in the back too, you're gonna clip that in too. All right, so and at the same time, we're gonna go ahead and clip this guy right back in there, the little light. Now this is kind of really hard for me to show, so let me put my phone down. So I'm just gonna clip in the panel in first. So what I like to make sure that we get this in, we're gonna start off with our first clip. Get that going. So make sure your first clip is lined up with the hole, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the other ones. Make sure this little red one goes, this red clip is gonna be up there. So we'll hit that one in first, and then we'll start off at the top and then hit right here. You're gonna work your way in. And then the light, what I did is I popped off this little clip. It just literally grabbed it with my nails and then pulled it right out. And then we're gonna go over, just clip these guys right in. All right, so we're all said and done. All right, so right here, make sure that this clip is just like that. And then this is going to be a little bit different. So as you can see, obviously both are differently. We have an insert right here. So this guy right here, we're going to go ahead and insert it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and insert this in just like that. And then we're going to push down, or if it does push down. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me pop this guy back out. So we're just gonna slide this back. So this is more like a slide in motion. So make sure everything is fully seated in. So just like that. Let me get that zoomed in just a tad bit more. So I want you guys just to see this. So as you can see right there, we're not fully seated in. So we're gonna just go ahead and slide this right in here. And it's gonna clip, and just like that. And then now we can go ahead and insert our thing back in there. So just like that. So the pigtail where you connect the connector to the light bulb goes from this way. All right, so now we're ready to put back in our Phillips screws. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and just push down right here. Now just make sure that fully clips in. Then same thing for right here. We're gonna just slide this piece in first. So once you slide it, you can just go ahead and swing it right over, and then make sure everything is fully seated in before punching it. Yeah, like literally make sure this is fully clipped in, because that's the last thing you want, seeing something stick out or pissing off the customer. So this one, you can just, doesn't matter how you clip it in, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna go ahead and test fit it. So obviously you can see right there, I'm gonna turn the steering. All right, let's see. Oh, we gotta have the car on. So put the key on the on position. Then right here, we're gonna switch our button to the left. And then, oh, there we go. We're up and working. So if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching. God, your hands are cold.
Bye. Have it subscribe to me.
Crazy.